Come check out this brand new 2023 Montana Fifth Wheel, the 3857BR. If you're looking for a trailer with lots of outside storage space, this model delivers with its large storage bays. And this built-in road vac vacuum system is a welcome bonus. There's even a small outdoor kitchen right outside the front door with a sink, mini fridge, and a 2-burner gas stovetop. When you first walk inside, you're greeted by a wide open kitchen and living room area. And of course, the thing that caught our eye was a giant 18 cubic foot residential fridge, which is on the top of our must-have list for full-time living. Next to the fridge, we have some cabinet space above this residential size microwave. And below that, there is a 24-inch Furrion oven with a 3-burner stovetop. The kitchen island has lots of storage underneath and a beautiful deep stainless steel sink, and we loved this gorgeous white finish on the countertop. Overall, the kitchen has tons of storage, including this floor to ceiling pantry, but where we thought it was lacking was in usable counter space. Moving to the living room, it has one wide cabinet above the 50-inch LCD TV, and some neat little hidden shelves behind the TV for your Blu-ray player, Apple TV, or game console. You can enjoy the TV from this 3-seat sleeper sofa or the theater seating. Moving to the dinette, it has a standard 4-chair table with a fold-down extension to give you that extra room when needed. Now for what we really loved about this floor plan, the mid-bunk room. It has a sleeper sofa and a bunk in the slide. And across from that, there are cabinets and a desk that is perfect for the kids to do school, color, or play Legos. What sets this bunk room apart is that the loft is open to the rest of the room, allowing for a taller ceiling to open it up. Going down the hallway, we love that the control panel is inside a cabinet to keep it safe from little hands, and it gives it a nice, clean look. Moving to the primary bedroom at the front of the trailer, it has a king-size bed and a huge closet in the front cap, which comes with the washer-dryer prep. No more relying on laundromats. And of course, we have the 6-drawer dresser and a 32-inch LCD TV. Last but not least, the 3857 has a spacious bathroom with a beautiful above-counter sink and lots of storage space. And our favorite feature is this huge 30-inch by 48-inch shower. Overall, we love the layout of the Montana 3857BR and think it's a great trailer for full-time families or even those bougie weekend warriors. Follow Chasing the Wild Wonder for RV life tips and tricks.